Cosmetic-grade waxes are carefully measured for the lipstick base. Each ingredient must match the exact production formula. The wax blend melts inside temperature-controlled industrial kettles. Precise heating ensures a smooth lipstick texture. Natural oils are blended into the melted wax mixture. This creates the creamy base used in lipstick production. Mineral pigments give lipstick its signature color and shine. Every shade requires a carefully balanced formula. The pigment paste is finely milled for a flawless lipstick finish. Smooth color dispersion prevents grainy texture.
The refined pigments are mixed into the lipstick base. The mixture transforms into a rich cosmetic color.
Fragrance and stabilizers are added to complete the formula. These ingredients improve shelf life and user experience. Vacuum processing removes trapped air from the lipstick mixture. This prevents cracks and imperfections during molding.
The lipstick formula is kept warm for consistent pouring. Temperature control maintains smooth texture before molding. Precision molds define the final lipstick shape. Automated systems align every mold for accurate filling. The molten lipstick is dispensed into precision metal molds. Every cavity receives the exact production volume. Controlled cooling solidifies the lipstick evenly. Slow temperature reduction prevents surface defects. The lipstick structure fully solidifies inside the chilled molds. Stable cooling ensures smooth texture and shape consistency. Excess lipstick material is removed for precise finishing. A smooth surface improves final mold release quality. The cooled molds are carefully separated using hydraulic systems. The finished lipstick shape is now fully visible. Robotic extractors remove each lipstick with precision. The delicate cosmetic surface must remain flawless. Flame polishing creates a smooth and glossy lipstick surface. The process removes tiny molding imperfections instantly. Cooled airflow hardens the polished lipstick surface. Each product is prepared for detailed quality inspection.
Every lipstick undergoes strict cosmetic quality inspection. Only flawless products continue to final assembly.
Lipstick containers are assembled separately before filling begins. Precision twist mechanisms ensure smooth product movement.
The twisting mechanism is installed inside each lipstick tube. This system allows smooth extension and retraction of the lipstick.
Automated robotic systems position each lipstick bullet precisely. Accurate alignment prevents cosmetic damage during insertion. The lipstick bullet is securely attached inside the container. Pressure-controlled insertion protects the delicate cosmetic shape. Every lipstick mechanism is tested for smooth operation. Faulty twisting systems are removed immediately. Protective caps seal the lipstick after assembly. Secure fitting prevents damage during shipping and storage. Each lipstick container is polished for a premium finish. Surface cleaning removes dust and assembly marks. Brand logos are hot stamped onto each lipstick container. The metallic finish gives the product a luxury appearance. Barcode labels provide product tracking and shade identification. Each lipstick receives unique manufacturing information.
Retail packaging boxes are folded using automated machinery. Precision folding ensures a clean, premium presentation.
The finished lipstick is placed into branded retail packaging. Each cosmetic unit is prepared for final sealing and shipment.
Retail lipstick boxes are automatically folded and secured. This prepares the product for tamper-proof sealing. Tamper-proof seals protect the lipstick packaging from interference. Each package is secured before shipment preparation.
Protective plastic film wraps each lipstick package securely. This layer prevents dust and moisture contamination.
The heated tunnel tightens the protective film around each box. Smooth wrapping improves durability and retail appearance. Automated scales confirm every package contains the correct product. Incorrect units are removed immediately from production. Retail lipstick units are grouped into shipment-ready batches. Automation ensures accurate carton organization. Multiple lipstick packages are loaded into shipping cartons. These cartons are prepared for warehouse distribution.
Industrial taping systems securely seal every shipping carton. The cartons are now ready for pallet organization.
Robotic palletizers organize cartons for efficient transportation. Balanced stacking protects products during shipping.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes the cartons during transportation. The secure film prevents shifting and product damage.
Shipping labels provide destination and tracking information. Every pallet is documented before warehouse storage. Finished lipstick products are stored inside climate-controlled warehouses. The inventory system tracks every shipment batch carefully.
Industrial taping systems securely seal every shipping carton. The cartons are now ready for pallet organization. Industrial taping systems securely seal every shipping carton. The cartons are now ready for pallet organization. Stretch wrapping stabilizes the cartons during transportation. The secure film prevents shifting and product damage.
Robotic palletizers organize cartons for efficient transportation. Balanced stacking protects products during shipping.
Shipping labels provide destination and tracking information. Every pallet is documented before warehouse storage.
Finished lipstick products are stored inside climate-controlled warehouses. The inventory system tracks every shipment batch carefully. Warehouse teams prepare lipstick shipments for global distribution. Every pallet is scanned for accurate order tracking.
Finished lipstick products are moved to outbound loading docks. Global distribution begins from the factory shipping center.
Warehouse teams prepare lipstick shipments for global distribution. Every pallet is scanned for accurate order tracking. Shipment documents are verified before dispatch approval. Accurate tracking ensures reliable worldwide delivery. The finished lipstick shipments leave the factory for distribution. Products now begin their journey to stores worldwide. The manufacturing process ends with the lipstick reaching retail shelves. From raw materials to luxury beauty product Proti, the journey is complete. Distribution centers organize lipstick products for retail delivery. Automated sorting systems speed up global supply chains. The finished lipstick is now ready for customers worldwide. Retail presentation highlights the product's color and finish. The precision manufacturing process creates a smooth cosmetic finish. Customers can now experience the final product quality directly. The final lipstick combines precision engineering with cosmetic artistry. Every detail reflects strict manufacturing standards. Laboratory teams continue testing every lipstick production batch. Texture consistency is critical for cosmetic performance. Environmental testing checks lipstick stability under heat and humidity. These tests ensure safe long-term cosmetic storage.
Digital quality systems verify the lipstick meets safety standards. Approved products move forward for global branding and sales.
Finished lipstick products are photographed for advertising campaigns. Studio lighting highlights the product's premium finish. High-detail visuals emphasize the lipstick's smooth finish and rich color. Professional presentation strengthens the product's luxury appeal.
I think the crimson works better with the gold casing. Agreed. Let's push that saturation slightly.
The finished lipstick is promoted through global advertising campaigns. Luxury branding attracts customers to beauty stores worldwide.
Advertising campaigns increase demand for the finished lipstick. Customers begin purchasing products across retail locations.
The completed lipstick manufacturing journey reaches the customer. The product is now ready for personal use. The lipstick finally reaches the customer after a long production journey. Premium packaging enhances the unboxing experience.
The finished lipstick reveals its polished cosmetic design. Smooth assembly ensures premium customer experience.
The precision twist mechanism works smoothly after factory assembly. The lipstick texture appears creamy and evenly finished. The carefully engineered formula delivers smooth color application. Rich pigmentation creates a bold cosmetic finish.
The final result reflects the precision of the manufacturing process. Every production stage contributes to the finished cosmetic quality. Behind every lipstick is a highly advanced manufacturing system. Modern factories produce millions of cosmetic products worldwide. The lipstick manufacturing process continues around the clock. Automation ensures speed, precision, and consistent quality. From raw ingredients to luxury beauty product, every stage matters. The lipstick factory combines science, automation, and cosmetics.
After production, the lipstick enters a global distribution network. Millions of cosmetic products are shipped worldwide every year.
Finished lipstick shipments are secured for long-distance transportation. Careful cargo handling protects cosmetic products during export. The lipstick products begin their international delivery journey. Global logistics systems move cosmetics across continents.
Scene 73 is clear for transit. Move it to the forward stack.
Affirmative. Lowering now, align on the mark.
Finished lipstick products travel thousands of kilometers worldwide. Global shipping keeps cosmetic supply chains moving continuously.
Imported lipstick shipments pass through customs inspection. Regional warehouses prepare products for local retail delivery. Local delivery fleets transport lipstick products to nearby retailers. Efficient logistics ensure products arrive quickly and safely.
Fresh lipstick shipments arrive at beauty stores daily. Retail supply chains keep shelves fully stocked.
Retail displays highlight the variety of lipstick shades available. Presentation plays a major role in cosmetic marketing.
Customers explore the final product created through advanced manufacturing. Color variety and texture influence purchasing decisions.
The finished lipstick completes its journey through the retail process. Customers now take the cosmetic product home for personal use.
The lipstick finally reaches its destination after global distribution. The premium packaging reflects the factory's attention to detail. The completed lipstick showcases precision manufacturing and elegant design. Every detail has been engineered for a premium experience.
The smooth twisting mechanism reflects precise assembly engineering. The lipstick texture appears creamy and evenly blended.
The carefully formulated lipstick delivers smooth and vibrant color. Advanced cosmetic engineering creates a flawless finish.
The final look reflects every precise stage of lipstick manufacturing. Factory engineering and cosmetic artistry combine perfectly. Modern lipstick factories operate continuously to meet global demand. Automation and precision drive every production stage.
From raw wax to finished cosmetic product, every step is carefully engineered. The lipstick manufacturing process.
From raw ingredients to luxury beauty product, the lipstick journey is complete. Modern factories transform simple materials into cosmetics used around the world. Pure 24-karat gold granules arrive at the secured casting facility. Every gram is digitally verified before melting begins.